Simple strategy with SAR and CCI indicators. Simple strategy often gives better results than complicated systems. It is easier to master and gives the trader more confidence in making the right decisions. This strategy uses two very common indicators, the Parabolic SAR and the CCI. The joint observation of the two indicators allows us to make trading decisions. Our tests were carried out on a graph pocket option with 1-minute candles and 3 candles expiry, in our case 3 minutes. Alternatively, you can use close option alongside a graph trading view for indicators. Of course, you can use any other favorite broker. If you use pocket option, we summarize a brief summary of the chart preparation process, a part that you can skip if you are already familiar with it. How to prepare the PocketOption.com platform for binary option strategies. Access the PocketOption.com broker through the universal link or with your personal link already active. Enter your login details and access the demo platform. To prepare the graph, we access the settings. We choose currency pairs that have a good payout. Japanese candlestick chart. We adjust the duration of the candles, for example, 1 minute each. Trade expiry, timed with clock symbol, or candle expiry with flag symbol. For example, let's choose a 3-minute expiry time, which corresponds to the duration of 3 candles. Let's try a simple strategy by adding indicators. A MACD indicator and 2 moving averages. One with 7 periods, yellow, and one with 200 periods, blue. Adjust the parameters according to the strategy instructions. Example of strategy. We open a call operation at the intersection of the MACD curves when the candle is above the 2 moving averages. The operation was successful. Now you know how to customize your platform according to the instructions of the new strategies. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and try binary options and Forex strategies. The Parabolic SAR indicator gives us trend indications. If the candles are below the SAR points, the trend is bearish. Vice versa. If they are above the trend, it is bullish. When the candles move from one side of the indicator to the other, it is a signal to open the operation. In practice, the signal corresponds to the appearance of a SAR point on the opposite side to the ongoing trend. The CCI indicator shows market fluctuations. The CCI line that exceeds the central area gives us a signal of a change in trend. The indicator parameters are shown here. Choice of colors and graphic sizes. The center line of the CCI is obtained by adjusting both levels to 50. The input signal rule is very simple. When at least one SAR point appears in the opposite zone and the CCI line crosses the center line, the position is opened. Make sure both conditions are met simultaneously. Don't forget to click like and subscribe for updates and news. Broker links and promotions in description.